2016 has not really been a great year for me. You know, there's some personal lows and professional lows as well. But throughout it all, I had wrestling. No matter what else I lost, I had wrestling. So, in a place I consider one of my homes, Attack, I decided to enter a title tournament, and I didn't think I was going to win. But do you know what? What else have I got to lose? You know what I mean? I'm not the favourite going in. And when the name comes out the hat, but in the first round, you are going to be wrestling Zack Sabre Jr. What little confidence I had, I think I lost. But you know what? I didn't have anything else left. So I decided, whatever personal stuff or whatever demons I've got, I'm just going to focus on my wrestling. And that's what I did. And I went to war with one of the best wrestlers in the world. And I beat him. And then I thought, you know what? Okay. Maybe I can do this. Next round, I got Santos from the Anti-Fun Police 2-on-1. That's another match. I'm not supposed to win. But I won. Now, it's no secret that Eddie Dennis is the Attack Pro Wrestling ace. He's the golden boy. And no matter what he does, he'll always have fans on side with him. But do you know what? People have been getting behind me. And do you know what? I don't think you're a favourite anymore, Eddie. I don't think that it's just going to be Eddie Dennis, Eddie Dennis, Eddie Dennis. I think it's going to be Eddie Dennis, Ginger Jesus, Eddie Dennis, Ginger Jesus. Now, I've got another good mate of mine in my ear telling me that's not the case. That they will never leave Eddie. But it's not about that. It's not about that. This to me is just about proving that I'm the best wrestler that I can be. And people believe in me. So when it's all said and done, I ain't gonna let myself down. And I don't intend on letting all these people that have got behind me down. Because I just can't do it anymore, man. I just can't.